Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Grok response. So to do that, simply click your account on the lower left hand side and click on settings. And from here, click on customize. Here you'll have four options, right? It says Grok response. And this is basically how Grok will respond based on whatever prompt or conversation you're having. You have the concise, you have formal, and you have more right here. So just simply go ahead and click on customize, and you will have the option right here to put your own behavior on how Grok will respond to you. Once you fill in whatever you want, just simply click and save. So for example, I can say I want Grok to reply to me direct, right? Direct response. For example, I can go ahead and put that in and click and save. And that's how you basically add your own response in Grok. And basically you can put whatever instruction you want right here, guys. But that's how easy it is, guys, to basically customize your Grok response, right? Very easy and very simple.